Introducing the new TECH-A66DG 2.0 Hybrid TPMS Sensor from TECH. With its innovative hybrid technology and dual-band capability, the days of spending time to find the correct sensor are a thing of the past. The TECH-A66DG not only contains the latest dual-banded 315 and 433 technology, it's the only dual-banded sensor that's programmable or configurable, providing the ultimate one-sensor solution to the market. This simple and easy-to-use unit can be configured in less than 3 seconds or programmed in 10 seconds without removing the wheel, getting vehicles back on the road quickly and safely. The TECH-A66DG covers 97% of 2018 and 2019 models of vehicles and requires no stopping when a snap or clamp-in valve is required. This is due to the interchangeable one-system sensor that can easily be swapped from a snap-in valve to a clamp-in valve. The TECH-A66DG's versatility fits most popular valves already in the market today and has been engineered to work with all WAL, LOS, and PAL location and syncing functions. This unique sensor is rated to 115 psi and allows speeds up to 130 miles an hour, making it one of the most versatile sensors on the market. Talk to your local distributor today on switching your shop to the TECH-A66DG 2.0 Hybrid TPMS Sensor. Yet another reason TECH is your tire and wheel authority.